So here you go, guys. We're on one of the platforms here. So yeah, as you can see, it's quite high, and that's the platform down to the beach. And it goes out that side. As you can see, it's splashing up here as well, look. So there you go, there's the wall. You see all of it gushing out there from the road. And let's have a walk down here. Do. So back, send it back. Way, there's a big wave. Hey, I'm probably gonna get wet here, but who cares? This is a bit of fun. Hey, get back! And as I'm gonna get wet. So yeah, so this is Southend Beach, part of it. So there you go. So this is Southend on the sea. Look at that. Sound of them waves as well. Whoa! I can feel this moving, this piece of wood underneath me. Stepping back. Yeah, it's quite a big lot of waves here. There you go. And again. And again. No, not again. There you go, guys. Out to sea now. Couple of normal seagulls. Ah, just got wet. There you go, guys. What I do for the camera. So there you go. This is how rough it is. So there you go.
Very rough out here.
So I'm right beside Model Major right here doing his vlog as well. I'm going to move because we keep getting splashed there.
Good to get in and around.
Whoa! Model Major just got splashed. So there you go, guys. Enjoy. So it looks like the old rain clouds are coming in now. So that over there is all Kent. So yeah. Oop. That all over there is Kent. And then that there is the pier, Southend Pier. So that all goes into Southend there. Yeah, no worries. There. Now actually walking along Southend seafront. As you can see, the old beach. It's not very beachy, it's more pebbly up this end. It's more down there where the water is. They push it all up and down. But look at Model Major here. He's doing his own vlog. But look at all the waves just ahead of him. So this is where we're going to go. I don't know why this little area here has more waves than anything else. Come back. Sorry about that, guys. My playing with my dad. So yeah, saying come back. So yeah.